The day begins before the world fully wakes up, in that quiet space where discipline feels louder than sleep. There is something almost cinematic about early mornings when the air is still cool and the mind is clear enough to set intentions without distraction. For someone focused on building strength and muscle, this moment is not just about waking up. It is about stepping into a routine that slowly shapes the body, the mindset, and the way energy moves through the entire day. The first thing that matters is not rush, not noise, not complexity. It is hydration. After hours of rest, the body feels like it is asking for balance again. A simple glass of water becomes the signal that the day has started. It is small, almost invisible in effort, yet it sets the tone for everything that follows. There is a sense of control in that simplicity, a reminder that progress often begins in the most unassuming ways. As the morning continues to unfold, attention shifts toward nourishment. This is where the idea of a muscle-focused diet becomes more than just a concept. It turns into action, into choices made with intention. The body, after rest, is in a receptive state. It is ready to absorb, ready to rebuild, ready to be supported. A high-protein breakfast is not about restriction or complexity. It is about providing fuel that feels steady and sustaining. Think of a plate built with care, something rich in protein that supports recovery and growth. Something paired with natural sources of energy that do not overwhelm the system, but instead keep it balanced. Alongside this, there might be fruits or simple whole foods that bring freshness and natural sweetness. The combination feels grounded, almost like a foundation being laid quietly but firmly. While eating, there is a certain mindset that becomes important. It is not about rushing through food or treating it as an afterthought. It is about awareness. Each bite becomes part of a larger intention. Building muscle is not just about what happens in the gym. It is about every moment that supports the body outside of it. Morning meals carry that responsibility in a subtle but powerful way. As the day moves forward, energy begins to shift. The body starts to wake up fully, and the mind becomes more active. This is where consistency in nourishment continues to matter. Rather than long gaps without fuel, the focus stays on keeping the body supported in a steady rhythm. A mid-morning moment of nourishment can be light but meaningful. Something simple that continues the theme of protein support and balanced energy. There is a quiet discipline in maintaining this rhythm. It is not about obsession, it is about awareness. The body performs better when it feels consistently supported rather than pushed into extremes. That understanding changes the way meals are viewed. They are no longer interruptions in the day. They become part of the structure that holds everything together. As midday approaches, the environment often becomes more demanding. Work, movement, responsibilities, and distractions begin to accumulate. This is where nutrition plays a grounding role. A well-balanced meal at this point feels like resetting the system. It is a moment to refocus energy, to bring stability back into the body, and to prepare for the second half of the day. A protein-rich meal during this part of the day carries a deeper purpose. It supports recovery from earlier activity and prepares the body for what is still ahead. The feeling after such a meal is not heaviness, but steadiness. There is a sense of being fueled without being weighed down. That balance is what makes consistency sustainable over time. There is also a psychological effect that comes with structured eating. It builds trust with the body. When the body knows it will be supported regularly, it responds with more efficient energy usage and better recovery patterns. Over time, this becomes less of a conscious effort and more of a natural rhythm. As the afternoon stretches onward, energy can sometimes dip. This is where small, thoughtful nourishment becomes important again. Not something excessive, not something complicated, just enough to keep the body in balance. High-protein snacks or simple whole foods can serve this purpose quietly. They prevent the feeling of fatigue from taking over and keep focus intact. This part of the day often separates intention from inconsistency. Many people begin with strong motivation in the morning but lose momentum as the day progresses. The difference lies in whether the body continues to receive support. Muscle development is not built in isolated moments. It is built in the continuity of care across every part of the day. As evening begins to approach, there is a shift in energy once again. The body starts preparing for recovery, even if the mind is still active. This is where nourishment becomes more reflective. The goal is not just energy anymore, but restoration. A meal at this stage supports repair, helping muscles recover from both physical activity and the natural strain of daily movement. There is something calming about evening nourishment when done with intention. It feels like closing loops that were open throughout the day. Protein continues to play a central role here, not as a trend or concept, but as a functional part of recovery. Paired with simple, wholesome foods, it creates a sense of completion. As the day slows down, the connection between diet and recovery becomes more noticeable. The body feels more stable when it has been consistently supported. Sleep, too, becomes more restful when the system is not overburdened or deprived. Everything begins to align in a way that feels natural rather than forced. And then comes the final stretch of the day. The quiet hours where everything begins to settle. This is where reflection naturally enters, not in an analytical way, but in a subtle awareness of how the day was structured. The meals, the choices, the discipline, and the consistency all come together as part of a larger picture. Building muscle is often thought of as something that happens in training spaces, but in reality, it is deeply connected to how the entire day is lived. Every meal, every pause, every moment of intentional nourishment contributes to the outcome. It is a process that rewards patience more than intensity, consistency more than extremes. There is also a deeper realization that emerges over time. Progress is not always dramatic. It is often quiet. It builds slowly in the background, in ways that are not immediately visible but become undeniable over time. The body adapts, strengthens, and evolves through repetition and care. Many people expect change to arrive in a sudden moment. They imagine a dramatic transformation, a single breakthrough, or one powerful event that changes everything overnight. But real progress rarely works that way. Most meaningful growth happens beneath the surface, away from attention and applause. It develops through small actions repeated consistently over days, weeks, and months. A person may not notice the changes immediately. The mirror may look the same. The number on a scale may barely move. Daily routines can feel ordinary and repetitive, making it easy to wonder whether the effort is truly making a difference. Yet the body and mind are constantly responding. Every healthy meal, every walk, every workout, every hour of proper sleep, and every moment of discipline contributes to something larger. The human body is remarkable in its ability to adapt. Muscles become stronger through repeated use. Endurance improves through steady effort. Energy levels gradually shift. Even the mind begins to change, developing resilience, patience, and confidence through continued practice. What once felt difficult slowly becomes manageable, and what seemed impossible begins to feel natural. As the day comes to a close, the focus shifts toward recovery. Rest becomes just as important as nourishment. Without it, even the most well-structured diet loses its impact. Sleep allows the body to repair, to rebuild, and to prepare for another cycle of growth. It is the silent partner to everything that has been done throughout the day. And just before the day fully ends, there is a final moment of awareness, a recognition that progress is not about perfection. It is about showing up again and again with intention. It is about choosing nourishment over neglect, consistency over randomness, and care over convenience. This is what a full day centered around muscle gain and high-protein nourishment truly represents. Not a strict system, but a lifestyle built on understanding the body's needs and responding to them with patience and discipline. A rhythm that over time becomes not just a routine, but a way of living that supports strength from the inside out. If this journey resonates with you, take a moment to stay connected, share your thoughts, and be part of the conversation. Every perspective adds something valuable, and every shared experience helps others stay motivated on their own path.